Amazing list of 42 uses of apple cider vinegar, plus instructions on how to use it. In the recent period, many websites have shared information about the versatile uses for coconut oil and lemon in our homes. There is no doubt that they are useful, but according to many experts, apple cider vinegar is even better. You should keep this useful vinegar in your kitchen, around your home, in your purse, and even in your first aid kit. On top of that, this compound is not toxic, doesn't contain chemicals, and it is completely natural. The following is a list of 40 uses of apple cider vinegar. If you are using apple cider vinegar for beauty or health purposes, use raw, organic, unprocessed apple cider vinegar. Completely natural remedies. 1. Eases the symptoms of sore throat. Apple cider vinegar comes with strong antibacterial properties, which means that it can eliminate dangerous bacteria and microorganisms that lead to the pain and problems in the throat. If you use it in a combination with raw honey, a strong natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral compound, you can expect to get better results. So, take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 teaspoons of raw, organic honey and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and mix them in a glass of lukewarm water. Cayenne pepper is here to ease remaining pain. 2. Soothes constipation and bloating. Apple cider vinegar comes with an acidity level close to hydrochloric acid. This acid is created in the stomach in order to assist the processing of food. Use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in any warm tea and drink before your main meal. 3. Eases heartburn. There are many reasons why heartburn occurs, but in most cases it is a direct result of the inability of our body to produce sufficient amount of stomach acid. As a matter of fact, alternative medicine practitioners usually recommend taking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a small amount of raw honey in case you notice early signs of heartburn. 4. Relieves sunburn. If you need fast relief, make a warm bath and pour 2 cups of apple cider vinegar in the warm water. Stay in the water for about 10 minutes. In this way, you will be able to bring back the normal pH in your skin and you will feel much better. 5. Soothes burns. Apple cider vinegar works in a similar way when it comes to burns too. This vinegar can aid in cases of first-degree burns too. Just put some vinegar on the affected area and you will feel better in a matter of seconds. Keep in mind that you should not use apple cider vinegar on open wounds or both second and third-degree burns. 6. Treats bruises. If you want to speed up the healing process of bruises, take a cup of apple cider vinegar, heat it up a little bit and pour 1 teaspoon of sea salt in it. Use it on the bruise in the form of hot compress on a daily basis. 7. Cures fungal infection. Apple cider vinegar can be very efficient in cases of external infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. Just apply apple cider vinegar to problematic area with the help of a cotton pad. You can also soak in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water, 1:5 ratio, for half an hour on a daily basis. If you want to get rid of toe fungus, you will need to use a few more products. 8. Eases sore muscles. Once you are finished with a hard day at work or an intense gym session, take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water or just use this mixture externally on the problematic area. If you feel pain all over the body, make a hot bath, pour 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and stay in the water for 20 minutes. 9. Soothe an annoying itch. It seems that there are itches that look like they are not going away, ever. If you want to avoid using polysporin, soak a cotton swab in apple cider vinegar and use it on the itch. Don't be afraid if you feel a 10. Fight insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar aids the body's efforts to manage glucose metabolism and regulate blood sugar levels. Use some of this vinegar in lukewarm water after and before meals in case you want to control your diabetes. 11. Keeps sinuses clean. By taking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar dissolved in a glass of warm water, you will break down the mucus and soothe stuffiness. 12. Flows lymph. Experts recommend half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water enriched with lemon in order to support the flow of blood and lymph. 13. Improves energy. Just add a small amount of this vinegar in your water or morning tea and you will improve energy level. 14. Treats stomachache. There are many reasons that lead to stomach aches and upset stomach. It turns out that apple cider vinegar is one of the most efficient natural remedies to soothe nausea and stomachache. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated, to make a paste. You can add some raw honey to make it taste better. 15. Workout fatigue. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of tap water when you are done exercising in order to alkalize the bodily systems and combat lactic acid. In addition, this mixture comes with amino acids that can regenerate muscles and battle fatigue. 16. Treats yeast infection. Women who use antibiotics often experience yeast infections. But, this unpleasant situation can be easily treated if they soak their bodies in a warm bath that includes 1½ cups of apple cider vinegar. Stay in the water for about 20 minutes. 17. Allergy remedy. As we have already said, apple cider vinegar can remove congestion and soothe a sore throat. This means that it can also handle allergy signs and symptoms. Just drink 1 glass of water with 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 18. Muscle cramp relief. People who are using folk medicine claim that massage with apple cider vinegar on muscle cramps can significantly lower the pain and intensity. 19. Supports weight loss. Organic apple cider vinegar comes with fiber and acetic acid that can help people feel sated. Use half a tablespoon of this vinegar in lukewarm water on a daily basis before each meal in order to suppress appetite. 20. Liver detoxification. If you want to cleanse the liver, use 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 8 ounces of hot water before breakfast. Eat healthy food and increase water intake. 21. Combats candida. The vast majority of fungal infections in men and women are caused by this type of yeast. The CDC says that there are more than 15 types of candida yeasts that attack humans. Apple cider vinegar can be used externally on problematic areas even though you should use water to dilute it in case your skin is sensitive. 22. Soothes gout. When it comes to inflammation, vinegar is one of the most frequently used natural remedies. It is believed that apple cider vinegar has the ability to break down uric acid that accumulates in the joints and leads to gout. In order to feel the benefits, use 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, 3 times a day. If you want to protect your teeth, use water to rinse the mouth once you take this remedy. You can also use a stainless steel straw to avoid contact. Natural beauty formulas. 23. Skin cleanser. In case you are dealing with oily skin or acne, a small amount of apple cider vinegar is here to restore your natural skin pH.